Hi folks. So today we will be learning how do we install EVNG in Windows 11 system. I will be doing this from scratch so that you can do hand in hand with me. So let's see what are the requirements to set up EVNG software. Uh, we will need a few softwares. First is VMware, then second is EVNG software itself. Then we will need WinSCP, and then finally we will need images that we will be loading into the EVNG as a router or switches. So what we will do is we will go to EVNG website, and then we'll go to download section, and move to the free Eve community edition, and then you will see two links here to download EVNG software. So we will download it from direct link. I have already downloaded it, so it is about to complete. And the second thing was we had to download the VMware Workstation software. So here is the direct link. We will click here. So it moves you to Broadcom website because all of the VMware softwares are now hosted by Broadcom system itself. So you have to create an account here. I have already done that, and I am also logged in here. So you have to complete the register process, and then you have to log in into the this website, and then again go back and click on this link, and you will be landed over here. Now just click on software, and then VMware Cloud Foundation. Go to all products, and then you need to go to my dashboard here. Search for VMware Workstation. So we will be downloading VMware Workstation Pro because now they are providing us a free version of VMware Workstation Pro for personal use. Click on this link. So here you can see the VMware Workstation Pro 17.5.2. This is the download link here. Just click on that link. And might be you will get some address verification page here. I have already completed that, so this is not showing for me. You can fill your address and then move here. So I am downloading it for Windows 11. This is the latest version. Here is the download link. Okay, so you have to agree the terms and conditions here first, and then you will download this software from here itself. So installer software is downloaded for me. I will go to download and start the installation. Next, I accept, next, next, and then again. Okay, install. So it is taking time. Once it is completed, I will be back. So the VMware Workstation is installed. Just click on VMware Workstation Pro icon. It is asking for license key, but we will have to use it for personal use. So we will just simply click here and continue. Finish. Your VMware Workstation is now started, and the iOS image of Event is also downloaded for me. So we will have to create a new virtual machine. Just select typical, click next. Installer image, yes. Here it is in my download folder. Just select it. Name it. Mm, Disk size 20 GB looks good for me. So here is the hardware information for you. Two core CPUs, 20 MB of memory, 20 GB hard disk. Later on, we can customize it once it is installed. So let's first install it. So here the machine is ready. Power on this virtual machine. Okay, so some of you might also get this error like me. And why we get this error? Because this VMware is using hardware of the laptop itself to run the virtual machine, and the Intel VTX is not enabled from the BIOS on my laptop, so I will have to enable it. So you might also have to enable it from the BIOS, and uh, you can search, you can Google as per your laptop model how do you do that. So let me first enable Intel VTX on my laptop, and then I'll come back. So I'm back with the settings enabled for virtualization technology on my laptop. Now let's go to EVNG and then edit virtual machine settings. 4 GB RAM looks good to me, and we have number of processors 2, number of cores 2, looks good. So this was actually not enabled here. I enabled this because I was getting some issues here, and also just uncheck this accelerate 3D graphics, because I was also getting the error for 3D graphics, so I unchecked this. So this is the settings. You can take screenshots. These ones these ones should be enabled. And if you get error for 3D graphics, you can simply uncheck this, click OK, and then power on the VM. Install EVNG community, yes, hit enter. So I'm pausing this video here because it will take some time, and we'll get back to you once it is moved from the screen. English. Okay, English US, or done. Hmm, confirm destructive action. Okay, so let's continue. This is just simply showing you can't go back from here. Continue. I think this will also take time. So again, I'm pausing the video and we'll come back to you in the next step. So again, it prompted me for login. You can see the default root password is Eve, root EVE. Mm, oh, it is not going. Okay, root EVE. So I think this process was somewhere stuck. So some process were started and it again prompted me to login screen, and then I log in with the root and root password. So this is the option to change your password. I would not change. I would just keep it as same as it was. EVE, EVE, repeat. Okay, host name. Okay, I will keep it as it is. Domain name, I don't want anything. Okay, I will get the IP DHCP. If needed, I will set as static later on. No NTP, direct connection. It is, I think, rebooting now. Yes. See, this is the IP we get from DHCP 192.168.23.128. So we will have to put this IP on a browser. So I just simply put the IP address here in the browser, and then you will get this UI of EVNG. Now you don't know the password and username, just simply click here. It will show you the user and password is admin and Eve. Admin, Eve, and select the HTML console. So here you have the dashboard of this Eve NG. Okay, so now what do we need? We need some iOS images to uh, upload in the Eve NG so that we can add some switches and routers here. So first we will need WinSCP. So I just simply downloaded it. Download WinSCP. Okay. Hmm. Direct download. Downloaded. So what will we need to do is we need to put the same IP address, which is here, 192.168.23.128, and port 22. Username should be root and password should be EVE. Login, accept. Okay, so now we will have to upload the file into the EVNG. So we'll have to go to root folder and then go to OPT, then unit lab, and then add-ons, and then you can download your images as for router. You can upload it from on this folder, Dynamips for switch on IOL, and for other machines in Chemo. So let's get into the folder IOL, and let's get some routers also. Okay, looks enough for me. So as the images are uploaded now, so and I will provide you the link of the those images in the description below, so you can download it directly from my drive. Add new lab. Hmm, new lab, save, add node. I think there are some issue with the folders I pasted in the evng, so I will have to fix this first. So the issue was we added entire, I mean, we added these two files into the IOL folder earlier. So what we have to do is we have to just simply copy this .bin file from IOL folder and just simply paste the .bin folder into this IOL folder of GNS. Sorry, I'm calling it GNS, EVNG. And then let's see. So here we have the IOL and iOS images also. So this is the complete setup of EVNG. And if anyone who is new to EVNG, I will make another video how to add routers and switches and other devices into EVNG and how to configure them.